Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side and then making two divisions out of it and then twisting it. Then tie it up at the right side of the hair and then tie a rubber band. Take a section of the hair from the right side and then twist it in on each other. Using your fingers, loosen some strands of hair and then tie it up on the left side. Now for our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the left and the right side from the front. Tie a rubber band at the back. Then, out of the division that's left at the bottom, make two ponytails. Twist them in on themselves and then insert them into the initial twist. Now at the bottom of the hair, add a braid. Roll up the braid in order to form a bun. Next, take a section of the hair from the top and then tie it up. Then take two sections from the left and the right side and then tie it up at the back. Twist it in on itself. Once you are done with this, divide the bottom portion of the hair into two halves and then make a braid out of each of these sections. Using your fingers, loosen the sides of the braid as such. Then roll the braids upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side as well as the right side and then twisting them in on each other. It should look like this. Tie them up at the back. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side and then make a braid out of it. Do the same on the right side and then tie it up at the center. Next, take two sections of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back at the center and then roll this in on itself. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, then tie it up at the back. Using your fingers, loosen it. Twist the hair in on itself. Clip the hair up. Then tie a ponytail at the bottom and then tie it up using a rubber band and twist it in on itself. Make a ponytail. For our next hairdo, take two sections of the hair from the left and the right side and then join it at the back. Then divide the rest of the hair into two portions and then make a braid out of the right side. Then using your finger, loosen the strands of hair. Roll up the braid and tie it up towards the left side. Pull the hair through to the other side and then make a braid and tie it up. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side, tie a rubber band and then twist it in on itself. Do the same on the other side. Then using your fingers, slightly loosen it. Tie the hair up at the back, taking two sections from the front, tie it up and loosen it. For the bottom, you may braid the hair normally. Once you have braided it, roll it up in order to form a bun. You may add a decorative clip. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, tie it up at the back and then twist the hair. Then using your fingers, loosen the strands of the hair. Do this all around the head. Then take two more sections of the hair and tie it up more towards the left side. Twist it over. Then braid the hair on the left side. Once you finish braiding it, use your fingers to loosen some strands of the hair. Roll it up to make a bun. Thank you for watching.